particular person, please. What is the current energy when the video finds the viewer? How does this person feel about them, please? King of Cups. Knight of Cups in reverse. Wheel of Fortune. Queen of Cups. Woo! Lots of water energy. Five of Coins in reverse. I'm sorry, that was 4 of Coins in reverse. And 8 of Coins in reverse. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So, yeah, first thing that really pops out, there's a lot of water energy here. Pisces, Scorpio, Cancer, okay? So what this person's showing you, we have King of Cups. This is someone who is very emotionally stable. So they're trying to show you that they hold it together, that they have their emotions in place, emotions intact. This person could be a father, they do not have to be, or a mother. This is someone who is showing you that they're very loving, that they have a big heart, but it's not always the person that, even though they do have a lot of love, sometimes they do have a little bit of difficulty expressing their emotions, but they are charismatic, and they're very caring, and this is what the person is showing you, okay? Spirit, please clarify the King of Cups. Why is the King here? So this is someone who has been hurt before, okay? And I feel like right now they're on the path to recovery. This is someone who is trying to get their life together and they have a decision to make. So this person is, might be having to choose between you or someone else, but this person is having to make a choice in life right now. They're showing you how good of a person they are, but right now I feel like they are at a crossroad because of past hurt and because of past pain, okay? How they see you, we have Knight of Cups in reverse. So they see that you're not 100% on board with them, meaning you're someone who, you do have a lot of love, but you don't feel like you can fully give to them right now. And I feel like because things might be a little bit unstable, like maybe financially unstable, maybe you don't have enough to make it on your own. So right now you're showing this person that you do have love for them, you do have emotion for them, but you may not be ready to fully commit, okay? You may not be ready to fully commit. And that's how they see you. Spirit, please clarify Knight of Cups in reverse. Why is this here? Woo. Please clarify Knight of Cups in reverse. Why is this here? Thank you. I feel like you guys did take a break from this relationship. They may have too. You guys, one or both of you may have pulled back and took a break from this relationship. But I feel like one of you wants to start it up again. One of you wants to return. I feel like you guys did get some healing energy here. But I feel like the other one's not so certain about it. So I feel like they're not so quick to jump on the bandwagon. They're not so quick to jump right in. Even though one of you is ready to return to this relationship. How they feel about you, I have the Wheel of Fortune. So this person knows that you were fated to them by the universe. This is someone who knows that you were placed in their life for a very specific reason. And I feel like it's kind of a wild card. It's kind of a gamble right now at this point. But I feel like this person has gone through some sort of metamorphosis with the butterfly there. Okay, I feel like they have gone through, after, healing and recovering, they have had some form of metamorphosis. And I feel like right now they know that you're someone who chases your dreams. You take control of your life, you take direction of your life, you take chances. And they really admire you about that. And I feel like they want to start a new cycle with you, closing out the previous one that may not have been the previous cycle that you guys were in may not have been the best, and I feel like they may want to start a new cycle with you. Spirit, please clarify Wheel of Fortune. Why is this here? Please clarify Wheel of Fortune. Thank you. I love it when my guides do this. What did I just tell you? I gave you the Wheel of Fortune. Do I have to give it to you again? They're so funny. Okay. So yeah, this person feels like it's kind of up in the air. Like, I feel like they do have a lot of emotion for you. This is very clear. But right now, it's about one of you taking control in this relationship. One of you has to make a move. One of you has to make a move. They do want to start a new cycle with you. They want to begin a new cycle with you. They feel happy with you. They feel like they have better luck this time around, okay? What they like about you, I have Queen of Cups. So they see that you're someone who's very giving. They see that you're someone who's very nurturing. You have a lot of love in your heart. You're very charismatic as well. So I feel like you guys are a good team, okay? I have the King of Cups and the Queen of Cups. You guys do mirror each other. You guys do balance each other. You do fit each other very much so. Spirit, please clarify Queen of Cups. Why is she here? It's just one or both of you might have family and might have to make a choice between leaving a family situation, especially with the children there in that picture. So I have Queen of Swords in reverse. Yeah. So at times, they do like who you are, but I feel like sometimes you guys play games with each other as well. So I feel like you guys might cut communication off or stop talking for a bit and then come back around to each other, and then say, I'm moving on, but then you reach out back to each other. You guys do play a little bit of pettiness and petty mind games with each other. But right now, I feel like this person, you may have cut them off right now, and you might be moving. They might feel like you're moving on for the time being, okay? Because you're not being. They know who you are. They know you have a lot of love to give. They know you're an awesome, funny, amazing, charismatic person. But right now, you are acting a little cold to them because you or them have a decision to make, and your decision has to be based upon if you're moving on or if you're going to reach back out to them. What they don't like is Four of Coins in reverse. So I feel like you might be holding on to a situation and it's preventing you guys from being together. You guys are the Queen and King of Cups. So you guys are holding on to another situation, and I feel like with a castle around it, you're very guarded, very protective of this. And see how this little one is holding money? Again, this could be due to family issues or it could be due to money issues. And some of you might be dealing with a Scorpio with that little crab there. But I feel like a lot of you guys are holding on to a situation which is blocking this connection, okay? Spirit, please clarify. Ooh, we got the devil. It could be a Capricorn. But a lot of you guys are in a toxic situation that you're feeling bound to, okay? Oh. So let me clarify this further. Spirit, please clarify Four of Coins in reverse. Yeah. You guys are being very guarded because you guys are trying to protect something. You have other issues, other areas of your life that you're trying to nurture. Like I said, some of you can be parents, and you're really trying to protect those that you nurture, and this is why you're holding on to this connection. For others of you might be dealing with someone who is holding on to the mother or father of their children as well. Spirit, please clarify the Empress. Why is she here? Yeah, a lot of you are holding on to a marriage with the Justice card here that it might be a little bit on the toxic side. A lot of you are trying to get balance in your life, gain order in your life, but I feel like a lot of you are holding on to something because of judicial system. I feel like this energy has been coming out a lot with you guys. Like, there's a lot of legalities here. You guys are worried about legalities if you were to separate. And this is speaking volumes of, to me, of like a divorce, essentially. Like, this is something about divorce. Action or pursuit this person's taking to you, they have 8 of coins in reverse. So, for this month, I don't feel like this person's going to be putting any additional work into the situation. Okay? I don't feel like they're going to be putting in work. And the reason is because they know they know you're focused on other areas in your life right now, and you're holding on to a situation. And this is why communication is back and forth sometimes, because one or both of you have a decision to make, okay? I feel like both of you could even have a decision to make. But it's like, you guys do fit each other. You do completely mirror each other. You guys are a pair. You are the Queen and King of Cups. You guys balance each other out amazingly. It's just, someone is holding on to something that's not serving them because they feel bound to it. Spirit, please clarify 8 of coins in reverse. But I'm telling you right now, I have 6 of Cups right here. So this person does not ever forget about the memories they have with you. And they're holding on right now. They're not working. They sure are thinking about you. And I don't think they're giving up for this month. I don't feel like they're going to reach out to you or try to make things right. But please know that you are near and dear to their heart. Even though you guys are not together right now, they still really think amazingly of you. Okay, this is someone who always thinks about the memories they had with you, and you're always on their mind. So just know that they can't give to you right now because one or both of you are holding on and have to make a decision, but they will not let go of the memories for this month, okay? It says flirt. Extend your lighthearted energy to others. To others. So some of you guys need to get your mind off really heavy energy that I'm feeling here. Just go out and have fun. Take your mind off the situation. I really feel like heart-to-heart conversation needs to come out with you guys. Codependency, yes. Addictions are affecting your romantic life. Codependency is not just addictions. It means you could be relying on someone else for something else. So you guys might be relying on another person. It could be your partner. It could be boyfriend, girlfriend. It could be someone that's giving you money, someone that you need in your life in order to sustain your livelihood. So some of you guys might be dealing with someone with addictions in their life, or some of you might be dealing with someone who you rely on, or they rely on you for financial dependency, and this is why we're holding on with the 4 of coins here, okay? Soulmate, yes, this is your soulmate. So you guys do know the connection is real, okay? You guys know it. I have all these cups. Spirit knows it too. But it's not going to come to full fruition until you guys make a decision. It's going to be hard.